The Dirty Road to Clean Energy. A Chinese-backed nickel refinery has taken over a chunk of a major island in Indonesia and is wreaking havoc on its ecosystem. In less than a single decade, the Indonesia Morowali Industrial Park has released enough pollution that people in the neighboring village of Kurisa can no longer fish nor rely on rivers as safe water sources. This situation in Indonesia is the latest example of how the EV transition is not as eco-friendly as the industry makes it out to be. You can read the entire article by Rest of World at the link listed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. Indonesia's islands are some of the most biodiverse areas of the world. They are filled with dense jungle and teeming with wildlife. They are also home of some of the planet's largest reserves of nickel, a key component in many electric vehicle batteries. Massive industrial plants that work to extract and process this precious metal. Residents of surrounding villages complain of health issues, polluted water, and destroyed land. These people are paying the cost for the EV revolution. IMIP is a massive industrial complex managed by a Chinese-Indonesian joint venture. Unfortunately, it sits only a few hundred meters from the fishing village of Kurisa, home of the Bugis Wojo people. The IMIP Park currently covers 2,000 hectares of land on Sulawesi. It employs 66,000 people, including around 5,000 Chinese workers. Nickel processing factories at IMIP spew out sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and coal ash, polluting the surrounding village's air. The company was formed in 2013 and has become a strategic investment for both Indonesia and China. As IMIP continues to grow, it has overtaken most of Fatufia village and some parts of nearby Labota village. Residents say IMIP's operations have polluted their waters. Data shared with Rest of World by the Community Health Center of Bahodopi shows that since 2018, upper respiratory infections have been at the top of the list of diseases in the district, nearly 7,000 cases in total. Could it be that clean energy is only clean if the dirt and destruction it's causing isn't in your own backyard? Maybe it's time to take another look at just how clean this clean energy revolution really is. Keeping our planet clean and healthy is important, but it must be done openly and in a manner that's beneficial for all peoples. What are your thoughts? Is there an alternative we haven't yet explored? Why not leave your comments for everyone to see? Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.